Welcome to our 10 Tips for Online Teaching, Episode 3. Are you ready to meet your parents through virtual Meet the Teacher? Today I'm going to show you how to set an appointment using Calendly. This is the most convenient way to set an appointment to your parents to book you for a meeting. First is to download the Calendly app in the App Store. Then you need to create an account using your email address. If you can use your school district email address, that would be perfect. So you can link your calendar later. Now to create an event, click New Event. Now you need to choose one-on-one or group. For our virtual Meet the Teacher, you can use one-on-one so you can meet with the parents individually. So write the event name and choose the tool that you're going to use for your meeting. So now I choose Google Meet. Then add the name of the meeting. Now for your availability, choose over date range and choose the dates that you are going to meet with the parents. You can also choose the time that you're gonna be available for the meeting, and you can customize question so parents can answer this and you will know what are the questions they have before the meeting. Make sure to turn on email and text reminders so that your parents will know and will be notified for your meeting. Once you're done, you need to copy the link and send this link to your parents so they can book your schedule. So this is how it will look like. So if they choose the date, they can choose the time that they want to meet with you. So that's it. This is how simple you can set up a schedule for a meeting through Calendly.